for supporting your children. Now, I don't know about you, but when I look on this stage, I see leaders.
Great.
I see leaders. I don't know about you, but I see fantastic students. They have been responsible, cooperative, and just amazing, but wait till you hear them. Now, we've been talking about 9/11, September 11th, the sadness, the shock. We've also been speaking about the War of 1812, specifically 1814, which I'm going to let the boys share more about that with you. Typically, we stand for the national anthem. However, we have an amazing new dance teacher. I'm going to ask our students to stand and take their place. They're so ready, I love it. I'm so excited. When I say I love your babies, I love our students. Do you hear me? This is amazing. Look at them. Wonderful. I'm going to make a couple of adjustments.
A long time ago, in the early 1800s, there was an event called the War of 1812. One of the most important battles of the war was at a place called Fort McHenry, Maryland.
During this battle, a man named Francis Scott Key was watching from a ship in the harbor. He was really worried about how the battle would turn out, but when the sun came up and the fight was over, he saw something amazing.
The American flag, also known as the Stars and Stripes, was still proudly waving above Fort McHenry. It was like a sign of hope and bravery. Francis Scott Key was so happy and relieved, he wrote a poem to talk about this incredible moment. His words were all about how, even after a tough battle, the flag was still flying high.
People liked his poem so much that they decided to turn it into a song. They added some music to it, and that's how the Star-Spangled Banner was born. It became the national anthem of the United States, which means it's the special song that we sing to honor our country and show our pride. The title of the song, The Star-Spangled Banner, is, of course, a reference to our flag. Our amazing flag was sewn by a patriotic seamstress named Mary Pickersgill.
So whenever you hear the Star-Spangled Banner being sung, remember, it's a song with a really cool story behind it. It reminds us of the strength, bravery, and freedom our country stands for.
Okay, if there's a Carver student in my midst, where are my Carver students? Would you stand nice and tall? Where are my Carver students? Stand up. We've been working on the leader in me, habit number 1. And we've learned a song. So, would you stand up wherever you are if you are Carver students? They're going to help. Oh, I see ready. I see ready. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Camry's ready. All right, so here is our habit number 1 song. Be proactive is habit number 1. Number 1. Be proactive is habit number 1. Number 1. You're in charge of all you do, so choose the golden rule. Be proactive is habit number 1. Number 1. Be proactive is habit number 1. Number 1. Be proactive is habit number 1. Number 1. You're in charge of all you do, so choose the golden rule. Be proactive is habit number 1. Number 1. Be proactive is habit number 1. Number 1. Be proactive is habit number 1. Number 1. You're in charge of all you do, so choose the golden rule. Be proactive is habit number 1. Number 1. Awesome. We only have 6 more to go. So question, anyone know what the melody? Where is the melody? Sarah Bell, where's the melody? The melody's in the music. It's in the music. Do you know the song? Absolutely. What's the song? What's the song? What's the song? What's the song that we took?
McDonald's.
Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Figure out the melody. Oh, so the lyrics. Where is our beautiful and wonderful Mrs. Ramsey has written the lyrics for us to remember. Thank you for bringing us your children. Thank you for entrusting us with them. We will always put them first. We will always